Hi everybody, Earl here coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check it out, 1970 Chevelle SS Tribute car. Just came in from California. Absolutely beautiful car. We're going to go over it in detail so you know exactly what you're getting when you get it home. Cranberry red, black stripes, black interior, real clean engine bay, 396, 350 horsepower, power brakes, power steering, everything's fresh underneath. Runs out great, all your hoses and belts, everything's ready to go, pretty much turnkey. Cowl induction on the hood and working. Front chrome bumpers in great shape. All your badgings the way it should be done. All your lights are working. Paint flows beautifully with no anything in the paint. I'm looking so deep I don't find any flaws. Gaps out good. Door to the quarter. The quarters are original. Look how nice this is. Great sounding car. F41 suspension. It's got the stance like it should. All your glass and chrome around the car is all in great shape. It's got a 12-bolt posi. Trunk lines up great. All the chrome on your rear window is wonderful. Like I said, all the quarters and fenders are original. Let me back up a little bit to take a look. No flaws in the paint. It's a real nice car. All right, man, found one. Hang on. Oh, just dirt. Interior's in excellent condition. 4-speed, seat belts, dash, great shape. All your carpeting, real nice car. All your gauges are working, except the clock, temperature gauge. Horn is an op. Real clean inside the cavities. How nice this is. It's a real nice car. Alright, so here's the fun part of everything. Hope you stay on there. We're gonna go for a ride. So grab some popcorn. Alright, clutch seems to be good. There we go. Let's see what she could do for me. 396 4-speed car, 1970 Chevelle. Pulls wonderfully. Goes down the road great, no funky noises. Steering's tight. No flaws interior anywhere. cutting it all the way so you got none of that noise. Nice car, runs great. So, we are located in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Hey, let me get this guy go by. We do offer special financing up to 180 months with people with good credit. We ship all over the United States. We've got over 150 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our cars have gone through a pre-delivery inspection. So you're going to know what you're getting. Here's our building, Phil, right here. It's our warehouse full of 150 more cars. That's our shop over here. Everything is working the way it should. It's a nice car, folks. Hey, let me pull around the front a little bit. We'll keep going here. This car's running real good. I got it up to temperature. No stories. I'm Earl. You could call me to set up an appointment or talk about any of my cars at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. I love when I hit it. It's great. If you like us on Facebook, our YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. It's part of the fun. I'm going to go put this on the rack so I can take some pictures underneath it. And I'll talk to everybody later. Thank you. Earl, 773-600-0919. Have a great day.